name's Anna Demensel. Welcome back to my channel. I did not do the full tutorial today because, as you can see, I am in the middle of a beauty routine. I have a meeting tomorrow, so I tried to save myself as much embarrassment as possible, so I'm going to make a super quick video about day number 19 of the July LeetCode or the Juleetcode challenge. This solution's in Python, and it is for question 435. I will not be reading the question, but here it is with the examples and the constraints. The editorial is open, but I did not do it, look through it rather, and I also haven't submitted anything, but I did want to go through my results and what I wrote. So, and again, beauty has a price. And again, I'm sorry, I'm trying to make this fast, but I'll jump into it. So basically, we performed the same sort of sorting of intervals based on their ending times using the sort method and a custom lambda function that you can see here. We then initialized count variable to keep track of the non-overlapping intervals, starting with 1 and set to end, to basically end at the time of the first interval. Then, instead of using a separate loop variable I tried to make the code more concise because I've had issues with my code not being as concise in these last couple of things where I'm falling kind of short on that. So I decided to directly unpack the start and end time of each interval in the for loop using start E, which basically just reduces the memory usage. Then we kind of proceeded with that same count logic, like incrementing and then updating the end when we find a non-overlapping interval. And then we finally return the difference between the total number of intervals and the count as before, giving us the minimum number of intervals to remove. So when you run it, it works. And I'm going to submit it and see how it stacks up. And like I said, you guys can go ahead and read this question. It's number 435 non-overlapping intervals. But for the sake of time in this video and my face and my hair looking like the way it does, that's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about, man. Day 19, we beat 70. We got over 70 in both. So I spent just a little bit more time instead of just putting out my initial thought to just thinking, okay, I know the steps. I know what I want to do. Now let's dive into it. So awesome. Love to see it. I'm going to put this in my GitHub repo for my LeetCode solutions. I'm going to put that repo link in the comments of my video section area. So you're more than welcome to like whatever, fork it, clone it, do whatever you want, learn something. If you don't want to learn something, at least have fun. And I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will not look like this in the next video. I promise you that. Bye.